Hello and welcome to the channel. Shall is used in the first person and will in all persons to express pure future. This is the rule. So this is a classic rule from traditional or prescriptive English grammar. It outlines how to differentiate between stating a simple fact about the future versus expressing determination, command, or a promise. Here is the breakdown of the rule and the logic behind it. The rule for pure future. Pure future, also called simple future, refers to actions that will happen in the normal course of time. These are events that are mere facts or predictions or expectations without any special intention, willingness, or determination behind them. According to the traditional rule, to express this neutral future, first person, that is, I and we, use shall. The second and third person, for example, you, he, she, it, they, use will. Examples of pure future. I shall be 25 next birthday. This is a fact. I can't control the passage of time. Second example. We shall need the money soon. A simple statement of expectations. Third. The sun will rise at 6 a.m. A fact regarding the third person, sun. And the last. You will see the museum on your left. A prediction. Hope you understand. Now, second, the colored future. What is this? The reverse rule. To fully understand the rule above, it helps to see the opposite. If you swap the words, use will for first person and shall for the second and third, the meaning changes from pure future to colored future. And this expresses volition, means determination, promise, threat, or command. How? I or we, that is the first person, plus will, expresses determination or a promise. For example, I will carry that bag for you. A promise or willingness, not just a prediction. Second example, we will fight for our rights. This is the determination. Then, you, he, they, plus shall. It expresses a command, threat, or promise made by the speaker. For example, you shall do as you are told. This is the command. He will be punished. This is threat. Hope you understand. Now, summary table. Person, first, second, and third. Then pure future, that simplifies a fact or prediction. A colored future that implies a promise, command, or determination. I shall go, you will go, and he will go. For pure future, we use shall, will. For colored future, we use will, shall. The inversion. A note on modern usage. It is important to note that this distinction is archaic in most modern English contexts, especially in American English. Today, will is generally used for all persons, first, second, and third, to express the future. What is the contradiction? The contradictions are, the distinction is often hidden in speech because I will or we will is used for both I will and I shall. Current use of shall. Today, shall is mostly restricted to formal legal documents, meaning must, or first person questions involving suggestions. For example, shall we dance? Okay. So, first person, that is I or we. The rule is use shall to express simple facts, expectations, or inevitable events. There are 10 examples. First one, I shall be 25 years old next month. We shall arrive in London by noon if the traffic is light. I shall probably see them at the meeting tomorrow. We shall need to buy more groceries before the weekend. I shall look forward to receiving your reply. We shall know the exam results by Friday. I shall be unable to attend the party due to work. If it rains, we shall get wet. I shall retire from my job next year. We shall hope for better weather tomorrow. Second and third person. The rule is use will to express simple facts, predictions, or inevitable events. There are 10 examples. First one, you will feel better after you get some rest. The sun will rise at 6:30 a.m. tomorrow. She will recognize you from the photograph. They will be tired after such a long journey. It will likely snow later this evening. You will find the post office just around the corner. He will complete his degree in 2027. The flowers will bloom as soon as spring arrives. Accidents will happen no matter how careful we are. The train will depart from platform number 9. Okay, this is the end of the video. Hope you like it and read this quick check. Thank you very much.